Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a young man named Alex. He was an aspiring writer with dreams of creating captivating stories that would touch people's hearts. One day, while strolling through a local park, he noticed a beautiful young woman sitting on a bench, deeply engrossed in a book. Intrigued by her presence, Alex mustered up the courage to strike up a conversation. He approached her with a warm smile and asked about the book she was reading. Her name was Emily, and she was an avid reader who shared Alex's passion for literature. They instantly connected over their love for books and spent hours discussing their favorite authors and fictional worlds. As their friendship blossomed, Alex couldn't help but fall head over heels in love with Emily. However, he was hesitant to confess his feelings, fearing that it might ruin their cherished friendship. But deep down, he knew he couldn't hide his emotions forever. One evening, they found themselves in a charming cafe, sipping coffee and lost in conversation. The atmosphere was filled with an electric energy, and Alex decided it was now or never. Taking a deep breath, he poured his heart out, expressing his love for Emily. To his surprise, Emily's eyes sparkled with delight, and a radiant smile formed on her face. She admitted that she too had been harboring feelings for Alex but was afraid to confess. They realized that their love had been silently growing, nurtured by their shared interests and deep connection. From that day forward, Alex and Emily embarked on a magical journey together. They supported each other's dreams and aspirations, pushing each other to reach new heights. Alex continued to pursue his writing career, and Emily, a talented artist, encouraged him every step of the way. Their love story inspired Alex to write his greatest masterpiece, a novel that beautifully depicted their journey and captured the essence of their love. The book became a bestseller, touching the hearts of readers worldwide. As time went on, Alex and Emily faced challenges and obstacles, but their love remained strong. They understood the importance of communication, trust, and compromise, which helped them navigate through the ups and downs of life. Years passed, and Alex and Emily's love only grew stronger. They celebrated their successes together, but more importantly, they stood by each other during difficult times, providing unwavering support and love. Their love story became a symbol of hope and inspiration, reminding people that true love exists and can conquer any obstacle. Alex and Emily's journey showed the world that when two souls connect on a deep level, they can create a love story that transcends time and touches the lives of others. And so, Alex and Emily lived happily ever after, continuing to inspire others with their enduring love and reminding everyone that the greatest love stories are the ones that motivate and uplift us, giving us the courage to chase our dreams and find our own happily ever after.